Okay, here's a parcel of knobbies from Lightning Ridge. There's still a bit of clay on some of them, like these pieces. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Rules in millimetres, as you can see there. The material's been wetted. And this is what you're looking at as far as the deal goes. Lots of purples, crystal pieces, greens. A piece like this is little tiny knobbies still in the clay. Same thing happens with a large knobby. You can still find it in the clay like this. Bit of bluey sort of potch. It's got a bit of pin fire in it. Got pieces like this that need to grind it down, grind around to see if there's a colour bar, but with this bit I doubt it. A lot of small pieces, cut small stones. Bit of black potch you can use for backing. Pieces like this that you'll cut the stones out of. Some of this is crystal. A piece like that. Maybe carve a little small stone out of it, but little colour bar going in there, quite bright. Pops out over here by the looks. Like I said, they're mostly small stones. A lot of fun. If you're looking at small stones, this might be a parcel for you. I hope you've enjoyed the little bit with bright red there. Again, another piece with a seam on the top. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.